Here I've got the BLACKVIEW BV9700 Pro, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open the settings, then find and select sound, and here go to phone ringtone. Pick the SIM card that you would like to change your ringtone to. Let me pick the first one, and now let's come along with all of the ringtones. As you can see, you've got plenty of them, so maybe let's listen to 5 of them, starting with Andromeda, then Bell Phone, Bollywood, Club Cubano, and for example Spectrum. And once you choose the ringtone that you like the most, let me choose Road Trip, click on OK, and that's it. You've just changed ringtone in your device, and you can do it as often as you want to. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.